What if we're winning and then someone falls off, but to save him, we lose?
We cannot leave our friend behind us. All right?
This is your leader, huh? على فكرة, by the way, like this is the guy who's gonna lead you, huh?
Think you know Al Ain? Think again. This living oasis weaves together adventure, nature, history, and culture, all into one incredible destination. To uncover its hidden gems, I've invited my best friend Salim on this journey. So join us, Ubaid al-Bidoor and Salim al-Attas, two Emiratis who reveal the beauty of this captivating city. Our first stop today is Al Ain Adventure Park, located right under the iconic Jabal Hafid.
Ubaid and Salim, fantastic to have you at Al Ain Adventure.
Thanks for having us.
Today is going to be the most exciting day of your life.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I climbed the palm tree yesterday, so let's see. Let's see.
Come, let's have fun.
Oh man, I can't wait to just get into rafting, beat this guy, and just have a good time.
So, Salim couldn't get up a tree yesterday, and I don't know how he thinks he's gonna get me a rafting.
You don't judge a shark by its ability to climb a tree.
I see a whale, I don't see a shark, bro. Hello.
Hi, Beth and Salim.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I'm Raj. I'm your instructor for the rafting today.
Awesome.
Welcome for the rafting.
Thanks for having us. Well, I'm here to beat Salim specifically on those two kayaks, and I really want to get into the rafting.
No, really, sorry. We cannot go on the kayak. You need a lot of training before you riding that one.
Okay.
We are giving you a big raft, but we need to have at least 4 people,
Okay.
including you.
Including
So
us.
you need to bring your friends.
Okay.
Hajara, ورقة مقص. Shucks.
Okay, cool. So my choices are Hirsch, our producer. You're good, man. You work hard. I like it. We're gonna be pushing. And then second is Yulia. She's quick on her feet. Let's do it. You ready? Okay. CJ, we're gonna let's go. We're gonna have a lot of fun, bro. We're gonna have a lot of fun on this team. Okay, who are you choosing?
First I gotta go with my boy Hashim. You ready? Let's get it.
Fair.
Let's get it.
Fair.
Okay, gotta get my boy Alpha Ralph. He has big calves, so I know he's ready. And Unais, because... Yes, man. All right, let's go.
First, a safety briefing.
She's Sujina. She will lead Salim team.
Hi, Sujina.
When your guide is asking you forward, bring the paddle front. The stop hand push outside, down one pull in, together, yeah? Good?
Okay.
Pushing front. Okay, good. If in case you fall off by the raft, your guide may help you or you can help your friend. When you try to pull your friend back to the raft, try to hold the strap, the shoulder strap.
What if we're winning and then someone falls off, but to save him, we lose?
We cannot leave our friend behind us. All right?
This is your leader, huh?
And we shall survive!
If you want to win,
Yeah.
you need to educate your team. We need to work together. And synchronize the paddling.
Ready? Ready. We gotta focus.
We're gonna be calm and collected.
1, 2. Work together. Depend on each other. Trust each other.
If you fall, it's okay. We're gonna pull you back up.
And together, we can win! Are you ready?
My mission is enjoying this without injuries. No injuries on 3. 1, 2, 3. No injuries!
Team Black on 3. 1, 2, 3. Team Black, let's go! Victory is ours!
So, as you can clearly see, everything went according to plan. It was now time to slow down and reconnect with the city's artistic heritage. This is the Qattara Art Center.
حضرتكم في مركز القطارة الفنون. معاكم مهرة. بكون معاكم في الجولة في مركز القطارة. بخبركم شو الشيء المميز في مركز القطارة الفنون.
As Mahra showed us around, I was inspired by the blend of ancient and modern. But we were here for our first pottery class.
اعمل شوية حركات لإيدك أشوف. هاي المطلوبة. هاي المطلوبة. أول خطوة لبس المريلة.
While I found a zen feeling in the gentle shaping of the clay, Salim's enthusiasm was a bit too strong for the delicate art form.
تمام. هلا فيك تعملها هيك.
But our excellent teacher soon turned Salim into a pro.
You have to be so delicate when you're doing this.
Aha! معلم سالم! Look at this!
يلا هلا.
Salim is a very loud person. يعني مثل ما يبين.
Look at this!
Pottery was the perfect remedy for our regular 9-to-5 lives. It's just so satisfying to craft something with your bare hands. Okay, so maybe they're not masterpieces, but art is subjective, right? Stepping into Zoe Cafe felt like being transported into a desert oasis. The sandy tones and clean lines helped to create a calm and serene atmosphere.
We could have made this. I believe we could have made this.
Truffle mushroom with hummus, burrata za'atar flatbread, and guacamole dip with nachos. A classic example of East meets West.
بالعافية أبويا مش غلط.
After a long day, this is the kind of food I want, or the kind of friend you meet once in a lifetime.
بس يصير نابولي أبويا. Yeah, very nice. Cool. Very nice.
From thrilling adventures to creative exploration and some fusion food in between, Al Ain offers a variety of experiences that will leave you feeling truly alive.
Let's go! Why would you say second place? I had the better time. You never beat me.